Hello everyone, welcome to this link budget analysis tool named LOT. This video I'm about to record can also be seen on YouTube according to a link which will be given in the file. However, this link budget analysis tool can be used to investigate certain connections or links between spacecraft and ground station or the other way around, and hence it can be used to make sure that the link is closed and that data is transferred from one point to the other. This link budget analysis tool is very easy to use. There are two tabs to go. The first tab is the tab regarding downlink budget analysis, and the second tab can be used to look at the uplink budget analysis. I will make a short example for a downlink link budget analysis for a LEO Cubesat. Here we have the first table that has to be looked at. Here you can input certain parameters which needed to be provided to calculate this link budget analysis. These values, if they are not given, can be found on the internet or can be found in this link budget analysis tool. All these parameters are given with a certain unit, and make sure that you also fill in the table with the proper units. One thing I have to mention is that if the spacecraft generated data rate is not given, please fill in 0. Looking at the next table, this table can be used to fill in certain unknown parameters of this table. For instance, the system noise temperature and the cable loss factor, which are given in decibels and in Kelvin. Please make sure that you look at the proper frequency, go down and check which value you have to obtain. Then going to the next table, here you can fill in what type of antenna you're using and if your data rate is known. If you are using a parabolic antenna, please fill in 1 next to parabolic antenna and fill in 0 at the other types of antennas. So if you are dealing with a certain antenna, fill in 1, for the other antennas, fill in 0. This is the same for your data rate. If it is known, fill in a 1 for known data rate. If it is unknown, fill in a 1 at unknown data rate and a 0 at the other option. Next table has to do with constants. Usually you don't have to look at these constants. However, if you're orbiting around another type of body, make sure that you change the radius to the proper radius. In this table, you can check whether or not which parameters have certain values and if these values seem reasonable. The last table is the most valuable table, which gives the margin, which is eventually what you're looking at. And for this example, the margin is 3.5 decibels, which means the link is closed because a minimum margin of 3 decibels is needed to close the link. Thank you all for listening. Goodbye.